Maximilian.
This looks so cool too. Look at that. That looks so cool.
Or you did something.
What?
You like dog meal a lot?
Dogman? Yes, I love Dogman. That's about the only book we can get in a read.
They don't have my book. Sad. Samantha, let me see your hat.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Okay, Samantha, what did you buy?
I bought a book.
Oh, Lord.
It sounds real good, and I got this cute little bookmark.
Cute. I do love a Dollar Tree. So, while I'm here in Corbin, we're going to go in the Dollar Tree. Hours, 10 to 10. Halloween stuff. Christmas stuff. Honestly, I've always preferred this Dollar Tree to the one in Harlan. This one's, just a little better, I think. Spiders. Cards. Oh, looky. Cute. Toy stuff. Wiggly animals. working. Is this one working? Yes, that one is working. Fluffy, cute. More cards. More Halloween stuff. And Christmas stuff. Electronic stuff. More Halloween stuff. Storage stuff. Craft stuff. Children's books. School stuff. The office stuff. Okay, I'm gonna stop saying stuff because that sounds stupid. But there's a lot of stuff in the Dollar Tree. Stickers. I saw a woman on YouTube doing some stuff with this. I can't remember exactly what it was, but yeah, she used it for a lot of different stuff. Fans. Huh. Pride fan. Health and beauty aids. Hand sanitizer spray. Shampoos. Do you remember when VO5 was like the bomb? I remember it. My grandmother used to use it. Yeah, in this Dollar Tree they have all kinds of food stuff. Sorry, I said the word stuff again. Now I know the hamburger helper beef stroganoff is really good. I just don't know how this would be. I doctor up my hamburger helper beef stroganoff with French fried onions and a little dollop of sour cream. Don't know about that brand. Now Brooke, who has the channel Southern Frugal Mama, says that that is really good. Says it's just like the Red Lobster kind. Oh, candy. I have a coworker who loves a bit of honey. Shout out to Dirty Diana. Gosh. A lot of snacks. gosh, do you remember when they used to make these in the caramel? Oh, they were so good. But you can't find them anymore. Planners. McCormick. Rubbermaid. Sure Fresh. Okay, I'm gonna go back down this side to see if they have that Twix drink. Because when I was in the Harlan Dollar Store and I didn't get it, I kept kicking myself after that. I was like, why didn't you get that? Try it. Well, no, they don't have the Twix, but they've got the Snickers. Oh. Should I? Shouldn't I? Okay. Yeah. I'm not gonna. Yeah, no. I wanted the Twix one. The Twix one's what I wanted and didn't get, so. Yeah. Well. Popcorn. So, there it was. A walk through the Dollar Tree here in Corbin. I do think that this is a better Dollar Tree than in Harlan or in Middlesboro. So yeah, see you later. Remember to like and subscribe. Love ya.